Hello, beautiful people. So, this is Pooja Jodhani here at this end, and I am guided to do one reading for you, all wonderful people, for the month of August. Yes, so this is a generalized reading, and take whatever resonates with you and leave whatever does not resonate with you. So, this is a channel message from the Rider Waite Tarot deck and the Magician's Tarot deck. Yes, guys, so this is card deck number one, this is deck number 2, and this is deck number 3. So now take a deep breath and please select one card. Intuitively just go with your first preference with the deck number 1, number 2 or number 3, and just connect. Dear God, please help me. My spirit guide, please help me. Choose one card which resonates the best with me, and please help me to find out how will my August 2020 go about. So now you can choose one card, and let's go ahead with the first deck. So we will keep these two cards aside first, set these two decks aside, and then we will go with the first card. Okay, so now here this is the Chariot from the Rider Waite. So can you see, guys? Yeah, so the Chariot reminds you to be very diplomatic in your approach. Do not go very rigid on one thing. Be very diplomatic while see, diplomacy is not a thing that it's a wrong thing, but yes, you need to be very diplomatic in approaching one certain situation. You cannot go by with a rigid mindset that no, I have to go this way only and things will happen this way only. So don't be rigid. Realize the pros and cons of the situation and take a very logical approach, guys, because yeah, diplomatic here means a logical approach. Okay, then secondly, stop fighting, guys. This is a card for stop fighting with your own self. This card is really, see, the 5 of Swords. The man is just he's fighting alone with everything. So stop fighting alone with everything in the world. You have to take help from certain people. Don't be little bit on the egoistic side that yes, I will not take help from certain people. You cannot fight out all alone. This situation needs to be tackled with the help of people, and if you start taking actions all alone, might be the situation may feel like you are just struggling and not getting out of the situation. So guys, here the card is saying, say, you not need to fight alone with everything. You can take help of certain people if you are if you are struggling with something in your life in August 2020. Now this is the Magician's Tarot. Yes, see how this card and this card is resonating, guys. Such beautiful resonation. Be in unity, guys. So how beautiful this card is connecting, that don't fight alone, be united with people, because unity is guys, that when you are with certain people and when you seek their support, this card is also telling that people in the friends and the family circle will come to support you. You are not alone. So don't feel very fearful, very anxious, very depressive while the situation is concerned. People will be there to support you. People, you do not have to fight it all alone, and they will help you guide, take a logical approach. So whatever you're going through, any situation in life, you will get the logical and the practical solution. Again, wow, this is such a beautiful card. See how these cards are resonating. First we saw the diplomatic approach, the logical approach. Then we saw you do not have to fight it all alone. Third, we saw people will come to help you and you will create something new out of the situation. So here I see that you will be creating something new in your life. It can be a thought, idea, it can be starting a new work, it can be starting an online business, because these days people are going online. Okay, or you might create some book as where I can get people who wanted to always write a book. I get it very strongly that you may start something, writing. You can just start writing a paragraph of a book also. Here I see, this is a card of developing something new out of your own ideas and thoughts. So here guys, I am really strongly guided that whatever you have in mind in this period, in the lockdown period, please start creating that mind. Please start into action. So this is a card for creation, and the people around you, the people around you will definitely help you guys. So this was the card general reading, those who chose deck number 1. So let's keep it aside. Now let's come to deck number 2. So let's see over here. Yes, so some people are thinking that, how will their finances be in August 2020? Because the card shows, yes, they are eyeing for finances, but they are not able to move. So you guys, you have the vision, you have that capability. See, you all are really ready to take the action, the plunge, but there is something which is holding you on. So release your fears, guys. Release the uncertainty in August 2020, and the card is telling you to not to be fearful and not to be stuck in your life. You have the money, you have the potential, you have the creativity, and you have all the things that one requires to take action. Just now you must believe in yourself and go ahead. Push yourself, push your limits, guys. The card is telling you to push your limits. Like, everything is there, but now is the time to act, guys, for anything that you want in your life. And here I can also see that something, some money scenario is also developing for you in the coming time. So it's a good news, guys. See again, see how miraculously these cards are in this thing conjunction with each other. Once you take actions, once you go ahead, once you release your fears, you will have hands, legs, heart full of money. Here I see, when you take the action, you are sure shot to succeed and win in your life. Okay, the ideas that you have thought upon, the vision that you have created, once you come out of your fears and start taking action, there is nothing which can pull you down, and you will be successful in your venture. Super successful, I can see, guys. So please go ahead. Again, see, it is so beautiful. This card is telling us that it's a time to celebrate. So those who have chosen the deck number 2, it's a full hands-on. It's like the August 2020 will bring on celebration because of the actions that you have taken, and because of the money that is coming into your life, or the happiness that is coming into your life. And this peacock ore is telling that there will be a new celebration, a new member may come to your family, some good news is coming, and you may succeed in whatever you are going to take action for. See, again this card is like, after that you have taken all the actions, after that you have taken, after that you have celebrated so much with your success, give yourself some time to rejuvenate. Rejuvenate means relax yourself. You can just meditate, or you can have a nice body massage, or you can we cannot go out right now, but find a place for yourself in your own house which is comfortable and cozy, and listen to some relaxing music, because it will help you generate more actions which will lead to more money and more celebration. So it's a time of action also, plus it's the time of relaxing also. So the card is telling you to balance every situation. Where I can see that you have taken actions and you are successful, again the Master is telling you, Master Merlin is telling you to be balanced in your approach, and as and when you're working hard, you should have the time to relax also, guys. Such a beautiful card. So this was the second deck, guys. Now let's move ahead with the third deck. So let's see what does the number 3 card denotes. What message does the number 3 card has for us, in store for us? So now let's see. Yes, see, this is something where this involves some learning of some new skills. So those who have opted for card number 3, the card is telling you is the time to learn some new skills. Like, whatever you had decided, or whatever you had, you did not have the time to learn, this is the perfect time for you to learn a new skill set, prepare learn a new hobby and master something, so that it will help you generate productivity in the coming future. So these are, this card is telling you, be concentrated in your first, start something new, start learning some new skill. It can be a language, it can be creative, it can be online something, marketing, or learning anything that you must have thought before but you haven't yet started. So please start ahead, go ahead with this. With this card, the signal is to go ahead and develop a new skill for you. Again, see, the Wheel of Fortune means whatever you have chosen in your life, the Wheel of Fortune card denotes that the lady luck is besides you. It is helping you to create whatever you want in life. It also indicates that some period, some ending of a cycle, like you must have gone through some traumatic times in the recent past, and of course the entire world is going, but this also relates to your personal transformation. You must have gone through some of kind of trauma in the recent past. The Wheel of Fortune is telling that time is going to end now, and some new beginning is going to show up for you. So be relaxed, and whatever new skills that you're acquiring, it will help you concentrate on another thing, and the old will be taken off and the new would begin. Now let's see from the Magician's Tarot deck. Oh wow, this is the awakening. So when the new shall begin and the old shall go, a new period, a new awakening will come up for you. It will be so good for you guys. It will be super, super, super good for you, that you will evolve as a new person. Something new will show up in your life in terms of values, in terms of thoughts, in terms of beliefs. This card is all about soul development, soul awakening. Because you have gone through so much in the past, and because that past is now going to end, a new aware soul is going to rise because of the past experiences that had come into your life. So be grateful for everything that that has happened to you. Maybe that was required for you to attain this wisdom, to attain this knowledge, to attain this kind of awakening that your soul wanted for. Okay, now we go ahead. Energy healing. Yes, this card is also for healers, who are watching this, and the to be healers who are watching it. This card is telling you to try some of the energy healing work, because guys, we all know that universe operates on 96% of energy and only 4% of matter. So this card is telling you to rise in your own power, understand where your potential lies, and the healers who are watching this, or the to be healers who are watching it, it's a guidance for you to start taking up more of energy healing work, because the earth right now requires more and more of energy healing. And plus, the universe through this card, the master through this card, is also telling you that you can take up multiple work. See the signs over here, 3 signs, so that the potential within you is so much high that you are not aware of. So the master is telling you, if you are considering some multitasking or some sort of work where multiple resources of income is involved. See here, this card here, this also denotes that you may have some multiple resource of income. So this card is in perfect tangent with this card. Okay, here also multiple sources of income. The master is telling you to take up multiple sources of income. It can be anything. It can be your own hobby, it can be your own skill set, it can be energy healing, it can be taking up some small sort of work in online industry, because as we know, online industry is in boom right now. So take up small tasks, don't go for very big, take up small work, and you will see with this energy healing, with this super duper card that has come up for you, you will see how slowly and gradually you will grow in terms of your mental, physical and emotional mindset. So guys, this was the reading for August 2020, and it was a general reading. I hope you all have resonated with this, and please write in the comment box what type of readings you would want me to do for you, so that I can come up every time with new types of readings. And please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want something specific, please do connect with me in the comment box, and I'll be ready to help. This is Pooja Judhani again, signing off for today until we meet next time. Bye bye.